China is the largest trading partner for most of the developing world. So whether that's Eastern Europe, Africa, the Middle East, across Asia and Latin America. And the way that work gets done in the developing markets tends to be actually quite different from how it's done in the developed markets. And so Vermeer, having a manufacturing capability located in the developing markets, we are really uniquely positioned to be able to build fit-for-market products to meet the unique needs of customers located in the developing countries around the world.
因为威猛我们的关爱文化把我们联系在一起，我们共同努力为顾客创造最好的产品，同时我们也回报社会。威猛中国自从建立这个工厂以来，在过去15年中，我们努力建设精益生产的生产体系，并且塑造一个持续改善的文化。我们每年都要开展各类的改善活动，减少我们的浪费，提高我们的效率。
Wherever a Vermeer product is manufactured, whether it's in the United States, in Europe, or here in Asia, what's common is that we leverage our global expertise in continuous improvement and apply that to product design, the manufacture of the product, quality control, and even testing of the product to optimally meet our local customer needs.
工作中遇到问题，大家也不会互相指责，然后呢，大家会想办法去解决大部分的问题。
威猛的4P 原则给我们每一个员工创造了很舒适的工作环境，每个人都非常喜欢在这里工作。我们在工作中互相帮助、互相照顾，然后我们能够通过团队的合作来共同完成工作任务。
Our Vermeer customers can count on Vermeer for fit-for-market products, backed by world-class dealership support. These fit-for-market products are delivered to customers through our regional offices and backed by our global manufacturing capabilities across the United States, Europe, and in Asia. It's these capabilities that we have, which are unique, that are used to better meet customers' needs in that important work that they do.
Thanks for watching. We hope this helps equip you to do more. Subscribe to our channel for more. And if you're interested in contacting a local dealer, visit vermeer.com/dealer. Thanks again.